new moon solar eclipse on June 21st in Cancer, 0 degrees, lit your 5th house of romance, creativity, pregnancy, birth, and the care of children. If you are single and not dating, that June 21st eclipse may have brought a vibrant new love to your life, albeit through Zoom conference rather than in real life during a pandemic. That was a new moon solar eclipse. So you may meet your new love in person at some point during the coming 6 months. If you want to have a baby, or adopt one, that eclipse of June 21st will be strong for 6 months and will help you accomplish that dream. If you already have children, you may be hearing good news about one of them. Time spent with children this month will be gloriously happy and satisfying. That same June 21st eclipse may have sparked a new creative project, either generated by you or through a call that came in from a client. Pisces is the most creative sign of the zodiac, and as such, you need to express your ideas and imagination continually through having various projects. They are like oxygen to you. You may have a creative career, or you may work on your artistic projects privately on your own time. That June 21st eclipse can turn out to be your friend and spark quite a bit of creative expression in the weeks and months to come. Now let's turn to this month in the July 4 to 5 full moon eclipse in Capricorn, 14 degrees. Capricorn is an earth sign that blends well with your water sign Pisces sun. This tells me you may be able to make it work for you. I love that Uranus will be in perfect angle to this full moon lunar eclipse in Capricorn and the sun in Cancer. Uranus is in your 3rd house of writing, thinking, speaking, and negotiation, and that is where you may get a surprise message that makes you happy.